all of us, this is something we all have in common. All of us, we all desire someone's, and you might not love this word, but it's the word we're going to use. All of us desire someone's applause, someone's approval, someone's attention, someone's affirmation, someone's love, someone's desire. And this begins very early. It begins like this. Daddy, watch this. Mommy, watch this. Daddy, watch this. Mommy, watch this. Daddy, watch this. Mommy and Daddy and Mommy are like, we just watched. You just did the same thing 8 times in a row. I know, but Daddy, watch this. Okay, you're jumping off the side of the pool. I mean, it's the same thing over and over. Daddy, watch this. Well, do something different, okay? It's the same thing. I mean, how much affirmation for jumping off the side of the pool do you need, son or honey? But we don't say that. We just think that it's like, oh, that's amazing. I'm trying to read my, oh, yes, that was different. Somehow, yeah. But what is that? And I hate to tell you, that thing in you that was in you as a kid is still in you. There's something in you and something in me that says, hey, did you see that? Did you watch it? Did you see? It's in us. The problem is our recognition and affirmation bucket, it leaks. It leaks. That's why your kid jumps off one time and you saw it and he's like, Dad, you don't have to watch anymore. I'm good. I'm full. No, it just leaks. It's got lots of holes in it. I always need more. There's never enough. It's the nature of any appetite because no appetite is ever fully and finally satisfied, right? So what happens, and this isn't anybody's fault. This isn't a bad thing. This is not a problem to solve. It's just a tension we have to learn to manage. Over time, in terms of affirmation and love and all the stuff coming our way, we get accustomed to it. Of course we do. After a while, we feel sort of entitled to it, like you kind of owe me that. And over time, we become sort of dependent upon it, and we don't even know this is happening. We're unaware until we don't get our usual share. We're totally unaware. This is just life. We're totally unaware until we don't get our usual share, and then it's like, what's wrong? And we feel like something's slipping away. I mean, they didn't invite me this time. They invited me the last 3 times. I didn't get invited this time. She didn't say she loved me this time. He didn't say he loved me this time. They didn't ask for my input this time. They didn't call me for my advice this time. And all of a sudden, it's like something's kind of slipping away. And when it starts slipping away, whatever it is from whoever it's slipping away from, that's when our natural tendency is to cling to it, to strive for it, to fight to regain it, to stake our claim, to do whatever we can to get it back. And when you do that, and when I do that, people notice. They notice our striving. They notice our asking questions. They notice that we've noticed. And when that happens, you know it happens because you've done this to other people when suddenly they feel it slipping away and they start scraping and clawing for it and to get it back. When that happens, we step back from those people. And people step back from you and it begins to deteriorate and gnaw at our soul. And here's what happens. And our hands begin to close, to salvage and to hang on and to save what we have left. Here's the problem with that. It's so natural, but here's the problem. What you cling to, what we cling to eventually decreases in value every single time. What you cling to ultimately decreases in value every single time. What you make available to others has the potential to multiply. Fear of loss, this is so important. This is hard for all of us. Fear of loss wars against our soul because when we feel like we're losing, we start getting too intentional around all the wrong things and it all revolves around us and we make a mess and our soul begins to atrophy. Fear of loss wars against your soul. And you know what else it wars against? Fear of loss wars against your happiness. Close your hands and you shrink your capacity for happy. You've seen this. You've seen people who have so much talent, so much opportunity, so much stuff, and they're so ridiculously unhappy. And you think, what's wrong? I'll tell you what's wrong. It doesn't matter what you have or don't have. You close your hands around it. You become unhappy because your soul begins to wither. This is how God made us. He made us to live like this. And it's not intuitive, but it's better. You want to be happy? You want to be happy? Try to live like this. See what happens. Close your hands and you shrink your capacity for happy. We should fear, honestly, this is hard. We should fear the consequences of closing our hands more than the consequences of losing what's in them. because open hands are a reminder of who it's from. And when I make it a lifestyle of living with open hands, I'm reminded of not so much what's in there, but who it ultimately comes from. As I've reminded you so many times, I'm going to say it as long as you're going to give me a microphone to say it. This is so important. The value of a life, the value of your life, the value of my life, the value of your life, the value of a life is always measured in terms of how much of it was given away, not how much of it was preserved. This is what it looks like to follow Jesus. This is why John the Baptist got it right. It's why Jesus said, for even the Son of Man, talking about himself, for even the Son of Man did not come to be served, but to serve and to give my life a ransom for many. Follow me. Because this is the life of contentment. This is the life of joy. This is the life of happiness. This is the life that causes people to lean in and wonder what's going on. And the closer they get, the better you look. Hey, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you check out the links on your screen for what to watch next, and check out the description below, where we are going to provide you with free resources designed to help you make better decisions and live with fewer regrets. And again, thanks for watching.